Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This is the Nanwind solar 200 watt portable solar panel here. Let's get it out of the box here, shall we? So this comes in a nice little bag here. Okay, there we are. Get this box out of the way, shall we? All right. So this features an IP68 rating, which is basically, I think the 6 is the dust rating, and the 8 is the water resistance rating. So those are both the highest level. So this could be pretty much submerged in water and it's going to be okay. Let's see, we have a little pocket in there, looks like. Put all these things there. A nice little bag here. So we have all our connections for different batteries and things like that. Or else you have the standard like gator clips here. We got the solar charge controller with USB. Positive, negative, shows you how to hook it up to the stuff like that. So MCU control, full protect, and a built-in timer. So that is cool. So you can kind of monitor your voltage and things like that. Let's check this thing out here. Pretty sweet. It's not too, it's a pretty good size here. So 200 watts. Let's see here, open it up here. It's a nice sunny day today, as you can see. So we'll, okay. The bag zips pretty much all the way down on the sides here. Let's see if I can't just pull this out here. Good size solar panels here, actually. So it's there. And then these will fold out. Okay, so we got the hinges on this side. And this looks like it just has some, possibly some Velcro on there. Let's see if we can't just open this up here. There we go. Oh, wow. You know what? I'm just going to take this outside, and I got a battery that needs charging up. So let's go get out there and see how this baby works. I'm not exactly sure. 200 watts is a decent amount. Like for RVing and stuff like that, charge up your batteries pretty quickly. It's a pretty good sized solar panel here. Let's go try it. Got this RV in our backyard here, and we use this battery to run the pump for the waste material to get it out of there. So pretty good sized battery. It's 100 amp hours. So we're going to charge that up using the solar panels here. Okay, set that right there. Get this off to the side. Unzip it. Open up our case here on the front. Get our wires out that we need. All right, so there's those, and there's that. There we go. So I like that this is the IP68 rating. Basically, I mean, this thing can be submerged in water and it's going to be okay, which is pretty crazy. All right, let's set it up like this. Got nice plastic edges around there so it's not going to get damaged. I think we're going to turn it this way. So we have these little arms here we can set down and just rest that against the ground there. So we can turn it. I think I want to be on this side maybe. Take those out. We got the sun right behind us there. And I think I'm gonna get my, yeah, I got a power cable here on the back. So Let's maybe hook that up first. Turn that this way a little bit. All right, so this will just plug right into here and just black on black and red on red there. Simply plug that in. Oh wow, it's already showing the voltage there. Let's check this out. That's pretty cool. 21.5 volts already. So it's showing all this. I'm going to hook it up to the battery and then we'll show you what it is. You can also just plug your things right in here to the USB and charge your phone and things like that. We'll just hook it up to the battery real quick. Actually, I'm going to put the solar panels down first. So I just extend those little legs on the back and just open it up and pretty much just face it right towards the sun there. And there we have it. Very cool. That was easy as you please. And I'll show you the little legs on the back. So just like that, you can stand them up. If it's windy or whatever, this thing is pretty burly. It's not, I don't think it's going to be blowing away in the wind or anything like that. So I just wanted to point that out too. It's yeah, quite a solid base on there. Getting some good voltage coming out of there now. We can just hook this up to the battery and see. Make sure you get the right connections on there. Obviously, red to red and black to black. So here's our positive. Out there. It will just come from the side. There we go. And our negative. We're going at rocking at 13.3 volts. The battery indicator is flashing. I believe that means it's charging up. Let's see, set voltage. Okay, the battery's at 28. Solar's little screen's reading out there. It looks like it's flashing. That means this is charging up. Let's get a little view of that. Maybe the battery is a little low. I'll see if I can get a phone here, plug that into the USB thing, and see how that's going as well. So battery 25.2 volts. All right, should be charging up though nicely. All right, friends, well, so here I have hooked up here. I'm charging up my portable speaker and my microphones. Very sweet. You can charge up your battery packs also. What's really cool about this, if you want, it comes with the plugins for like the portable power stations. So if you have those, you can pretty much just run your house off of them. Show you that real quick. So it comes with these, so like those, there's different brands like Jackery and stuff like that, which is basically a whole house like power station. You can just plug it in, charge it up, and if the power goes out, or if you want to just use the power you've generated that you saved in your battery power station, using your solar panel, you can just run your house off of that and switch over and stuff. So it's very cool. 200 watts, decent amount of power too. So yeah, thing works pretty great. Easy to set up. I like that it has the highest dust and water rating. So you're going to have the confidence that this is going to work, and no matter what kind of weather you're in. Seems to be working really well. I like the, it has, you know, this little thing that tells me it's charging up, and I can also use it to just, you know, plug in any USB device that I want. So it's really handy, super cool. Pretty convenient also. I like the big bag it comes in, so when you're done you can store it away easily. Anyways, my friends, thanks so much for watching this review. I hope it is helpful. Have a great day out there, and I'll see you all next time.